is math used in sports? Is math even used in sports? How often do you see a soccer player stop and think about the trajectory of the ball before he kicks it? How often does a cricketer stop and take a moment to figure out how they should hit the ball? Every athlete is a mathematician in their sporting field. But a mathematician is rarely an athlete. When I played in Holland, I always tried to lob the keeper. People used to say, "Oh, you're only trying to make a nice goal." But I said, listen, if the goalie is a little bit off his line, how much space do you have to his left or his right? It's not a lot. And how much space do you have above him? There is more. It's a question of mathematics. Whoa! What is happening here? He is clearly standing behind the goal, and yet the ball is clearly in the goal. How'd that happen? This is a phenomenon called the Magnus effect. When a cylinder or a sphere flies through the air or another fluid, while rotating, it creates differential in pressure, causing the ball to magically curve through the air in the direction of spin. In this video, Will imparts a spin on the ball counterclockwise, which, thanks to physics, allows the ball to curve into the goal. The ball will curve differently depending on the spin and speed. Here we have a teenage boy throwing a sharp stick. This is a bad idea and should never be done, but we have the excuse of maths, so it's okay. You can see in the first throw, I angle the javelin at close to the optimum angle to get maximum distance, which is 45 degrees, and it flies majestically through the air in a perfect parabola and a nice even arc. In the second throw, I angle the javelin way too high. This results in the javelin losing its speed very early and drops to the ground not so majestically. In the third and final throw, the javelin keeps its speed through the entire flight, but because of its low angle, the flight is very short and it doesn't go very far.
Maths is used in every sport. Without maths, sport just wouldn't be the same.
Just remember, athletes wouldn't be athletes on a sporting field if it wasn't for maths.
Thank you for listening.